A fan from Beijing's second ring saw our restoration video and felt his passion ignite. Coincidentally, he had one too, an LS430 with only 260,000 kilometers on it. Just finished its break-in period. He decided to give this old companion of many years a complete restoration. We must not let our client down. First step, inspect the engine. It shakes a bit now. Definitely not the silent prince it used to be. The chassis leaks oil everywhere, parts aged and worn, plus all kinds of small issues built up over the years. This time, we'll fix them all perfectly in one go. Bring it back to its peak. Without further ado, let's enjoy the full restoration process. First, strip it clean. Separate the engine from the body. Remove the rear axle. Take down the fuel tank. This tank still looks almost brand new. Clean and refinish the chassis armor. Every inch of the underbody gets detailed treatment. Our rule, if it still works, it stays. If not, it's replaced without hesitation. All clean and ready for engine reinstallation. The gearbox was leaking, fully disassembled and rebuilt. The intake manifold was pitch black, full of carbon. Even the best cars can't resist time's wear and tear. The mounting rubber was cracked, but no problem. Guess what additive caused this dark mess? Buddy, this is honestly scary. But no worries, watch how we bring it back to peak condition. The piston rings were stuck with carbon, unable to move, causing oil burning. Ultrasonic cleaning in progress. The gearbox needs to be split into 3 layers. Magnets covered with metal debris. All aging seals replaced. Then gearbox reassembly begins. Engine starts up smoothly. Next, align the chassis components. Apply wax injection to prevent rust and corrosion. Chassis waxed for full protection. Reinstall fuel tank. Reinstall rear axle. Engine and body reunited. Exhaust pipe rust removed with laser technology. Next, disassemble the interior for detailed restoration. All stripped out. Body panels ready for repainting. Exterior disassembled for paintwork. Old paint cracked and faded. Sanding off imperfections. Apply primer to prevent rust. Smoothing the surface. Leveling the coating again. We're not using ordinary paint. This is imported high-end PPG paint, premium quality. Finally, apply PC for V anti-scratch clear coat for a smoother, shinier, more durable finish. The curves now look perfectly even. Same care applied to every panel. Next up, soundproofing prep. Firewall and saddle area fully insulated. Clean the interior panels. Use genuine adhesive for stronger bonding. Only authentic materials last, otherwise it'll peel off. Air conditioning system dismantled and cleaned to completely remove odors. Perfect. Turning possession into perfection. Both sides of the door panels treated equally. Reduces road noise. After chassis prep, suspension must be relaxed to avoid rubber stress. Restored to optimal condition. Wheel alignment is also crucial. Restored to factory specs. Fine-tuning alignment data. This is the 5th time we've checked the suspension to ensure total safety. Full water leak test completed. Entire body polished, restoring a mirror-like finish. Tested on bumpy roads for comfort. Long-distance straight runs, checking engine and gearbox stability. Inspect paint under sunlight. Surface must reflect like a mirror. Let the wind tell your story once again.
You